Hi guys, today's video I have something from the ice cream today. So this is from Dairy Queen called Happy Tastes Good from Dairy Queen, and here's the sign from Blizzard. So today's video I got Dairy Queen. So today's video I got from the ice cream cup is Dairy Queen. So I have the Blizzard right there, and then I have the Dairy Queen right there. So first off, we're gonna try this Dairy Queen out and see what's going on. So here we go. First, this is the Dairy Queen challenge test, when you guys can see on TV. So here we go. Ready, get set, go. And tastes so good. Okay, so we have the Dairy Queen Happy Tastes Good ice cream challenge. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, you guys, today's video we have some Dairy Queen Happy Tastes Good from Blizzard. I like Blizzard and Dairy Queen. So we're gonna try this out right now, and here we go.